Hello students, we are going to start with the new discussion of agricultural policies under 5-year plan. It is the next topic of the Indian Economic Development Unit 2. So we are going to discuss what policies were made for development of agriculture when the 5-year plans were launched by Government of India. We have seen the two types of goals, long-term goals and short-term goals, and in first plan, which was implemented from 51 to 55, the main focus was given to agriculture, and it was long-term goal as well as specific goal of that plan, that agricultural sector should be developed. So how these policies were implemented and what were the details about it, we will discuss in further videos. This is to know about introduction of the first 5-year plan and agricultural policies. Now the question arises, why agriculture was given importance in the first plan itself. We all know that agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy, and that shows that it is an important sector of our economy. In what way it is important? It is important in various ways, such as the daily need items for consumption we obtain mainly come from agricultural sector, such as food, clothes and many more other things. Similarly, it provides raw material for industries. It helps in increase India's exports and getting foreign exchange. It provides employment to millions of people in India. Besides this, it helps in running the economy and linking different sectors of the economy by providing various types of goods, such as food grains are processed in industry, and industry further goes on to develop the other areas of the economy. What was the next reason of choosing agriculture as a focus of first plan? That British rule had left our economy, especially agriculture, very backward and stagnant, and it faced many problems. These problems are still persisting in India in agriculture sector. For example, technology of production was backward. There was no facility of irrigation and credit facility or loan facility was not available to the farmers. Similarly, there were ownership questions and ownership issues about the sector of agriculture. So there was continuous backward and stagnation in this sector. So to strengthen the backbone of the economy as well as to remove its backwardness, we choose, or Indian government choose, to focus on agriculture in first 5-year plan. So what were the policies under 5-year plan to remove these different problems? These policies can be categorized as different types of agricultural reforms. They can be classified into 3 types. First is technical reforms, which was mainly related to how the methods of farming, techniques of farming can be improved so that more is produced and better use of agricultural resources can be made. The next type of reforms are institutional reforms, or you can say land reforms. These reforms are mainly related to the ownership and distribution of land in India, so that there is a kind of motivation to the farmers, because ownership allows a person to do better in an entrepreneurship. If you are the owner, you will work hard because you have motivation. Now the last reforms were general reforms. These reforms are the reforms which are just for supporting agricultural infrastructure and other facilities to the farmers. So in this video I am concluding with the types of reforms, but I will carry on with these reforms and their implementation, their positives and negatives and many more aspects. So this is the end of the video. Thank you.